Hi, I'm Mike Holmes. I've been making it right in construction for over 30 years. I've had to fix construction mistakes and shoddy lipstick and mascara solutions way too often. So it's exciting for me to see builders making quality homes. Carolina, a division of Horizon North, is a leader in the design and construction of modular homes. Manufactured in a quality-controlled environment using superior building products, these homes are built indoors, then transported to their final build site. And I love that because it means less waste and no weather delays. The best part is the finished homes are extremely portable. They can be delivered almost anywhere and can be live-in ready in as little as 6 months. Carolina Homes offer an innovative manufactured alternative to traditional on-site construction methods, allowing for faster builds that get you home sooner. Let's take a look. Okay, first of all, I'd like to say congratulations. You know what, I don't even want to say congratulations. I want to say thanks for the relationship, because we don't allow people to come to us. We source out the best builders, and for my two guys to come and see you and come back so proud and kind of happy and telling me that I'm going to smile when I come here, that's a good feeling for me.
And so a big part of the strategy that we've had is introducing and commingling our personnel with auto industry. Our relationship with dirt and ice allowed for us to have a 3D visualization design, and that's allowed for us to push forward into this construction company, which is where we're ending up, where I can provide you a quality product. I can provide you cost certainty. I can provide you timetable certainty.
Now, I've always been a fan of modular design. It's just because it works. It's like Lego blocks. You know, everything goes together, and you can change the house design depending on where you're going or view, north, south, east, or west continued. Home builders don't bring in car people.
I know they don't.
They don't, but what you're doing is very innovative, because you're bringing in different thinking minds that do what they do there in cars and introducing it into the home. So I find it intriguing.
We're proud of that. And a big part of bringing the automotive angle to it is exactly how Lexus builds its car, exactly how Honda thinks through its profile of how it builds. And a key and critical part of what you're going to see, Mike, is really that type of thinking.
As long as you're walking forward and not sideways, you're in the right direction.
Yes.
Let's go.
Great.
I'm looking forward to this.
Early on in the process, obviously, we work very closely with the client to understand what they want. Literally, you can have a house in as quick as 3 months. We also have the ability to sit down with clients and come up with completely custom designs. So if they have unique sites, you need restrictions that maybe a standard unit will not exactly work, we can start from scratch and create a modular structure within their dreams, basically.
So we bring the product together in a factory, in a controlled environment, out of the rain, and we're checking it. And this has not seen the daylight outside at the end of the day, none of the products.
You're controlling inside temperature, humidity.
Yes, sir.
Consistently.
Consistently.
You don't want to change it. You don't want it to fluctuate.
We don't, because it'll affect the drywall.
Yes.
And inside there's a sensor already stuck to the door. And then when we meet my colleague on the quality department, he'll be able to take his phone out and show you all that.
From that sensor?
Yes, sir.
It goes to show that everyone that's part of this, and I'm sure you have a lot to do with it, but they all care. And it's so neat. Everything is properly run. I can even tell your tape on all your ductwork has been properly troweled to give a 100% seal and not just put up by hand.
The only way to get better is to try things. We call it design of experiments. We're always experimenting and learning and then applying and getting better at it. That's the whole philosophy.
I don't think anyone's doing that, but you. Seriously.
And you know the beauty about this one? We can pick this up with a helicopter.
And bring it to my place?
We can if we want.
I like it.
Again, It gives you the impression of a laminate floor, but this is one complete vinyl floor. And what we do is we actually tuck it underneath the walls and then place the walls on top.
Oh, I like you more.
We don't cut around it.
Nobody does that. Not even trailers do that.
Well, we're different.
Yeah, I'm noticing that.
And with the virtual reality goggles, we're able to give the customer that experience, because a lot of customers really look at a layout and they can't decipher the height, the depth, the feel, or the touch.
They can't even see the finish in their own
They can't
minds.
see it. They can only imagine it. They can give you this on a CD or on a USB or any other computer gadgetry that they have, and you can play it at home. And you have a record of it. If you want to make a change, you can come back, we can make a change. If it hasn't hit the production line, but you can make that change in real time. We could be talking to you in Toronto with the computer system here, and you'll have the pictures on your computer in Toronto, and you say, I want this, I want that. We make the change, and we can say, yeah, what do you think? Yeah, I like it. Off we go. Very, very simple.
I don't think you can get more efficient than that. I finally got to see everything.
You did, Mike.
And I'm going to say that I don't think I've seen such a slick operation anywhere in the world. What I witnessed was not only people know what they're doing, people executing beyond, thinking ahead, trying to solve all the problems with the negatives, which is really the way to do it. What's wrong? How do we fix it? How do we make it right? And at the same time, now I get why you can take that house and make it travel 5,000 kilometers on a bumpy road and see no cracks.
Yes.
Very good. I look forward to the growing future.
Thank you very much, Mike. I appreciate
Because this is about a long run, not a short run.
it. It is, agreed.
Well done.
Yes, thanks very much.
Thank you.